Need to know. The term need to know when used by government and other organizations, or particularly those related to the military or espionage. Describe the restriction of data which is considered very sensitive. You don't need to know restriction, even if one has all the necessary official approvals or should ask a security clearance. To access certain information, one want to conduct one's official duties. This term also includes anyone that the people with the knowledge demand necessary to share in with most security mechanism. The aim is to make it difficult for tourists access to Azure without inconveniencing legitimate access. Need to know also aims to discourage browsing of sensitive material by limiting access to the smallest possible number of people. Example, the Battle of Normandy is an example of a need to know restriction. 12,000 of military personnel were involved in planning the invasion. Only a small number of them know the entire scope of the operation. The rest were only informed of data needed to complete a small part of the plan. The same is true of the Trinity project, the first test of a non-nuclear weapon. Problem and criticism, like other security measures, need to know can be measured by a person who wishes to refuse other access to information they hold in an attempt to increase their personal power, prevent unwelcome review of their work, prevent embarrassment resulting from action of thoughts. Need to know can also be invoked to hide extralegal activities. This may be considered a necessary use or a detrimental abuse of such as policy when considered from different perspectives. Need to know can be detrimental to workers' efficiency even when done in good faith. One makes not fully aware who actually need to know the information, resulting in inefficiencies, or some people may be inevitably withheld information that they require to perform their duty. The speed of computation with IBM mechanical calculator at Los Alamos dramatically increased after the calculator operator worked out what the number meant. What they had to do was work on IBM mechanics, punching holes, numbers that they didn't understand. Nobody told them what it was. The thing was going very slowly. I said that the first thing there has to be is that this technical guys know what we're doing. Oppenheimer when I talked to the security and got special permission, so I could give a nice lecture about what we were doing. And they were all excited. We're fighting a war. We see what it is. They know what the number mean if the pressure came out higher. That means there was more energy released and so on and so on. They know that what they were doing, complete transformation. They began to even ways of doing it better. They improved the scheme, they worked at night, they didn't need supervising in the night, they didn't need anything, they understood everything. They invented several of the programs that we use in computer technology. The discretionary access control mechanism of some operating system can be used to enforce need to know. In this case, the owner of a file determines whether another person should have access. Need to know is often concurrently applied with mandatory access control schemes in which the lack of an official approval or should ask a clearance may absolutely prohibit a person from accessing the information. This is because need to know can be a subjective assessment.